Last time, we learned that division helps us share things fairly, like yummy cake. But today, we're going to let the computer do the work for us. Let's see if Python can divide numbers live. But first, let's do a super quick review. Last time, we learned that in math class, we use this sign when we want to divide numbers. And in the Python language, we learned something new. We learned that instead of that math sign, Python uses a / to divide. For our first example, we will use 8 divided by 4. Now, let's do a super quick review of the instructions we will give Python. First, we make a label called first number, and we put the number 8 inside it. Then, we make another label called second number, and we put the number 4 inside it. Next, we tell the computer to divide them, and we save the answer in a brand new label called result. So we write result equals first number divided by second number. And finally, we write print result to tell the computer, show us the answer on the screen. All right, now let's open our browser. Let's type pythononline.net and then press enter. And ta-da! Here it is, our Python playground. So our first example is 8 divided by 4. First we write first number equals 8. Then we write second number equals 4. Next we write result equals first number, then the division sign, and then second number. And last we write print result. That tells the computer, show us the answer on the screen. Now we're all done, so let's hit run. And ta-da! We got 2. It matches the answer we got last time. Great job! Now our second example for today is 12 divided by 3. We're going to follow the same steps we used earlier. We will use the same labels, first number and second number, but this time we'll put new numbers inside them. Then we'll tell the computer to divide them. So we write result equals first number divided by second number. And finally, we print the result so the computer can show us the answer on the screen. But before we do it together, let's make a quick guess. What number do you think Python will give us when we divide 12 by 3? Take a second to think about it. All right, let's follow the steps together. First, we write first number equals 12. Then we write second number equals 3. Next, we tell the computer to divide them, so we write result equals first number divided by second number. And then we print the answer on the screen. Now, let's hit run. And ta-da! We got 4. So the computer is telling us that 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Great job! Let's double check the answer with a calculator. So 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Nice job! Now our last example for today is 10 divided by 4. Let's follow the same steps we used earlier. First, we write first number equals 10. Then we write second number equals 4. Next, we tell the computer to divide them, so we write result equals first number divided by second number. And then we print the answer on the screen. Now we're ready. Let's hit run. And oh, this time we got 2.5. That answer looks a little different from the ones we got before. Don't worry, we'll learn why in the next lesson. But for now, let's check if the answer is correct with a calculator. So 10 divided by 4 equals 2.5. Yes, it matches. Great job. Amazing job today, everyone. Today we saw Python do division live. And next time, we're going to learn a brand new division trick. You won't want to miss it. See you in the next lesson.